Hi guys, let's travel together to Goa Marriott. It's located in between both the airports. Any airport you go, it will take around 45 to 50 minutes. This is their lobby area and this is the reception. We reached around 3 o'clock. They served us with welcome drink. And even though it was already 3, which was the check-in time, but they made us wait for another 10 to 15 minutes, which was fine. Then we headed towards our room. So this was the second floor and our room was on the first floor. The walk was quite long. And finally here we are. This is our room. Best part about this room was this balcony area. I mean, look at the view. So if we just get out of the room and go towards right, there will be the pool area and the breakfast area. So we directly headed towards the pool. This is where something really funny happened with us. I'll get back to it at the end. So this was their main pool, sea facing, which was really beautiful. They had 2 pools, so let's head towards the another one. On second floor they had a gym and babies play area. Total there were 3 floors, and just beneath this on first floor was a spa area. On second floor near the reception was this restaurant. And just behind this they had a small coffee house cum bakery. And outside the restaurant they had an in-house casino as well on the 3rd floor. Food here wasn't that great. It was quite expensive, and the taste wise also we ordered dal rice for my child. It was very okay. Breakfast had a lot of variety. It was good, but overall food rating would be like 7 out of 10. Now story time. So we ordered 2 mocktails at the pool bar and my husband paid at that moment only through GPay. The person at bar told us that he did not receive the receipt. My husband told him that the payment went through and he has received a bank message as well, and also assured him that we are here till tomorrow, so if you don't receive the money you can get back to us. At the bar only we ordered for the room service, and then we went to the room. Within 5 minutes the food has come, and guess who got the food for us? The same person who was at the bar. He came and told us again that I have not received the money. My husband told him that money has not got reversed in my bank, so either you will get it or I'll get it, but you need to wait. Then cut to next day while checkout. No one asked us at the reception for the bar payment or anything, so we left. And after coming to Bombay, I started getting message from this person's personal number saying that money might have gotten credited to you. Sometimes you don't receive the message, so please transfer the money. We have not received the money. And I thought he's a honest guy. He was like, what, 2021? So I asked my husband to check once again. He told me that I have checked and I have not got the money back. Then again next day he messaged me, and then I felt there's something fishy about it. So I told my husband told me that he's trying to scam us for sure, because by then I had already received email from the hotel saying that thank you for staying with us and all that, and nothing was mentioned. So I just messaged him that I have not received the money. I don't know what you are trying to do, but I'm not going to pay you any more money. And then he read the message and did not reply. Then afterwards, like 12 hours, I blocked him. I'm very much sure that the hotel is not responsible for this. They had no idea about it for sure. So I did not feel like making an issue out of it. I just blocked him. But then I felt like I should mention this in my vlog for the other people, whoever is going to stay there. So that was our experience. Overall, we really love the property. We won't mind going and staying there again. Do let me know if you guys like the video, and also if you have ever experienced something similar. See you next time. Bye.